This looks great. Look at all the nice lighting. I love the texture of the walls.
Yeah, we have finishes on the walls. We work like on the plants and vegetation.
I love the lighting. And this is a unit?
This is the unit.
Okay, let's check it out. Nice, very nice, beautiful, clean, simple. Love the kitchen. This is really cool. Solid, look at that. This is great. I love it. I love the backsplash, gas burner. Love the stovetop. This is great. And the fridge goes there.
Right here, yes.
Fantastic. A lot of storage. Look at all this. This is great. Okay, you said this could be a one bedroom. So how does that work?
So this is basically like a studio, but also you can convert it in one bedroom, and the developer is going to add a wall
Like
right
a wall here. And the door would be
Right here, correct.
Okay. And you would put the television right there.
Or you can put it on this wall.
If you build the wall.
Correct.
Cool. Now the people that, I mean, this size unit is almost sold out. So what percentage of people, if you know this answer, are keeping it as a studio, and those that are actually having a one bedroom?
Well, for the other units, there are just two owners that they keep it as a studio. The rest they're giving like for one bedroom.
They put the wall in.
Yes.
And this is a closet, I'm guessing here.
Yes.
I mean, look at all this. This is beautiful storage. There's drawers there as well. This is great. This is beautiful. The black fixtures, huge shower, fantastic. So there are only a couple of units left. So what's the best price for these A units right now?
The best price for these two last units, we have it under 293.
That's it?
Yes.
And you get all the space
All this.
and everything else in a beautiful building, romantic zone, Basila Badia Street. And I'm guessing a lot of people that are buying these units are going to rent them out.
Correct,
Right?
that's why.
So since we're on this side of the building, can I see a 1+ Flex?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's
All right.
it.
I'll follow you.